Njengoba ukhetho seludlulile, isinyathelo esilandelayo ukubonisana kwamaqembu ngeendlela zokubusa ngokubambisana. Izakhamuzi zakuleli ezibalelwa ezigidini ezili-12 zivotile kulolu khetho lohulumeni beyindawo lokungaphansi kwengxenye yabantu ababhalisele ukhetho kuleli. Lokhu kuchaza ukuthi isibalo sabavotile kulokhu sehlile kwesango-2016. Imiphumela emenyezelwe izolo ibone i-ANC ithola amavoti angaphansi kwamaphesenti angama-50 okokuqala nqa selokhu izwe lazuza inkululeko.
There are people we will not talk to. Two parties have indicated they won't talk to us.
Which are those parties?
The DA announced yesterday that they would not wish to talk to the ANC. We are the opposition. We similarly would find the DA and Action SA a bridge too far to cross.
Umholi we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen uthi iqembu lakhe selivele liqalile ukuxoxisana namanye amaqembu.
We will be certainly looking to create stable coalitions. Those processes have already started, and we look forward to being able to form stable coalitions where we can. Where we cannot, we're going to go onto the opposition benches and be an excellent opposition, just like we are in the National Assembly and have been in other councils.
I-EFF nayo izimisele ngokuba ingxenye yemikhandlu ehola oMasipala.
Let them come, let's talk. If we're not ready to govern, we'll say no one is speaking to us. We don't want to talk to anyone. The first preferred model is that you take your municipality, we take our municipality. In that municipality, we supervise you through legislation. We don't go into the executive. We become speaker, chief whip, and committees, and we hold the executive accountable.
I-IFP yenze kahle kakhulu KwaZulu-Natal yanqoba uMasipala abambalwa enyakatho yesifundazwe.
The next phase, of course, is going to be the coalition cooperation talks, which are going to now roll out the new phase of administration. And of course, the eceleni results are very, very good.
Kusinjalo okokuqala nqa kusukela ngo-1996, i-ANC kuzofanele ibuse ngokubambisana namanye amaqembu kumkhandlu dolobha waseThekwini. I-ANC izuze amaphesenti angama-42 evoti isuka emaphesentini angama-56 ngo-2016. Manje sekufanele ixoxisane namaqembu afana ne-EFF kanye ne-IFP abahlaziyi bezombusazwe bathi ababoni leli qembu libambisana ne-DA.
There is no way that the ANC would have the DA as the first party to go to. So in the case of KwaZulu-Natal, what would work best, in my view, would be a coalition between the ANC and the IFP. You would recall that the EFF has pushed the IFP one level down. So it means then one of the parties that should be considered is the EFF.
Amaqembu i-Freedom Front Plus kanye ne-Patriotic Alliance nawo athole imiphumela emihle kulolu khetho.